Let's go.
Jig.
Who got the cookies?
Whoa, how do you cut this?
Who brought the cookies? Can I buy
Rip it all off.
people?
I don't know how to rip it all out.
Oh, you still right.
Can you get a knife? Oh no, just take one. We'll leave you to that.
Oh, thanks. I'll eat it.
Call me a piece. Will you call me a piece?
I cannot imagine.
Going the wrong way.
Oh, you're right. Clockwise.
Going
No, wait.
clockwise.
There should be all three hot utensils in there. Yeah.
Hey, I'm Kendall.
Would you like some?
Wow.
I will. I'll take the breast.
Would you like some more?
Hi, Brian.
Do you want the breast?
Why do
Cat.
you record everything?
Huh?
Meow.
You guys got it?
She said
The
meow.
other leg?
Yeah.
Hi, Matt.
Chloe's cutting my boob for me. She's the
Hi,
best.
Kevin. Where's Micah? Micah's like gone.
My scarf's right there.
There he is.
He's wearing a hat and a scarf. How do you
Hi, Micah.
I know. He's like the brightest one.
Say hi to Melody.
Is she on?
Thank you.
Risa.
Hey, you should bring her.
Oh yeah, but I don't know.
I feel inclined
Mark, I can't eat my own piece.
like a video call.
Too big.
Oh, my bad.
You want a leg?
Chloe.
Hi, Melody. Right?
Sure.
Oh, hi.
I know, sorry you can't be here right
Yeah.
We'll
But
see
we're
you
having
some
tons of
other
fun.
Oh my! I'm about to slap you. I'm gonna show you can
He's
you.
gonna slap you.
Ooh, I was about to say the D word too. The
We
Dule.
love you, Melody.
Hey,
And we miss you.
Eat that. Eat that.
Oh yeah,
That's fine. I'm alive.
Oh, eat that.
knives, spoons, and forks.
Eat it.
Yo, can me a spoon?
She it.
Yeah.
Have me a spoon, please.
Do you have napkins, Brian?
Is it rubber band? Hold on.
It's fine, not rubber band.
It's a rubber band.
It's fine.
Really? I thought it was supposed to.
It's stretchy, but it's...
That was like supposed to be like some kind of string. Not a string. Yeah. No. I don't get on my shirt. Weird. What's wrong with you?
Why are we sitting?
I don't know. It's weird.
Well, you can't.
I'm going to sound like that.
Sit right here.
Wow.
Yeah. Why can't you
I'm
just,
saving them for
why
you
can't you pick it out
guys.
later? Because you're
Because no one gets it.
kind of holding up the whole line.
Hey, you're kind of holding... No.
I think I'm holding it the
Serious?
whole line. No, I think it's a problem.
But I can't see.
Yes, please. How am I supposed to do this with this knife?
Just being black.
That's always
He's a fat. She's like, oh, okay, fine.
That makes more sense.
Cat alone.
Hey, can these JoJo's You're so mean! Get it, Kendall? Huh? These JoJo's can sing.
I get it. I get it. I get
JoJo,
it.
as in like the girl who actually sings.
Yes.
Who's a JoJo?
Lights.
Ryan,
Oh
can you call
my.
Micah?
JoJo?
KFC
Yes.
and JoJo. KFC
I
and
cut it with a
JoJo.
plastic knife.
Oh
What are you doing?
I have a
KFC.
real knife, that's why.
No, don't.
I need a plastic knife.
You eating the chicken breast?
Chicken breast.
Look at this chicken.
Chris?
Lots
He's
of
like-
spoon. Go.
I don't know how to cut this.
You struggling?
I'm gonna go for Matt.
You struggling?
Haha.
I'm gonna go for.
There you go,
I get it.
Brian. I don't
I
like
get
chicken.
it.
Come on, Brian.
Okay, fun.
I'm not done yet.
It's a lot.
There's a lot there, so it's okay.
We know something's wrong with Chloe saying this a lot.
Oh yeah. I want to capture the moment.
Want to share?
What?
What?
Wait, where? Do we have other chairs?
Kendall, do you want to share?
Yeah.
You guys want to sit? Here, Chloe, you can sit.
Thanks, John.
Hey.
Oh! Again?
Yes.
No,
Eat that.
No, it's we.
Oh,
Yeah, not.
let's get some chicken.
Hey, Sean.
Huh?
You gotta get something to eat.
Oh yeah, my plate's right there. I'm just capturing the moment.
Man, you're gonna eat all those cookies. You're like Santa.
Yeah, I know.
We can get the milk out for you too, and Catherine.
See, you don't...
What? I'm confused.
We need to get you and Catherine some milk. Milk and cookies.
Kendall. Hey, yo, Kendall, wanna help me?
I'm confused.
Chris Cooley style?
You just inception me.
Chris Kelly.
Black way to do it. Hot water and ice and full of junk.
I meant Chris.
What are you doing?
I don't want sauce. Yeah. I don't want the sauce.
Where's Star?
I'm done. There's no more.
Yeah.
Hi, Billy. Thank you, Brian.
That's like your perfect,
Wait,
right?
that first.
I wish I was taller so I can get sky view.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, that's like enough. Perfect.
Yeah.
Now we're good.
Oh, sweet.
Right there, sit.
Huh? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna get food.
Well,
I didn't even get food yet.
I got him, Billy. I got him, Billy.
Make it calm down. Make it. It's not that funny. You guys don't